Hi, my name is John. Well, my factory wants to get ISO certified, and to make it easy, I'm having a meeting with Team iCompliance.
Hello, Mr. John. I am Kelly from iCompliance, and I am here for the meeting which you have scheduled. Shall we start with the meeting?
Well, Miss Kelly, my company wishes to use our own existing in-house resources to establish and implement ISO management systems, and get successfully certified. Do you have a solution for us?
Yes, sir. Well, I can suggest you to go for do-it-yourself solution, like a precompiled documentation kit.
Yeah. Can you explain me what exactly is precompiled documentation kit?
Sure, sir. iCompliance DIY ISO kit contains precompiled documented information including policies, procedures, templates, forms, registers and controls that will assist organizations in implementing ISO management system standards through the steps towards a successful certification audit.
Well, that sounds interesting. But, is this documentation kit tested or certified?
Yes. iCompliance DIY ISO kit is tried and tested in many real management systems, and been audited and certified by many certification bodies.
So, I guess it will solve my documentation problem to get certified.
But that's not all. There are also certain benefits of this kit.
Benefits? That grabs my attention now.
iCompliance DIY ISO documentation kit is unique with benefits like definite advantage of iCompliance all-in-one platform for ISO management systems. 3 months free standard license for iCompliance ISO software to digitally implement your management system. Dedicated technical support representative to provide remote technical support and trainings for iCompliance software. A series of tutorials and training documents to support at each step till certification. Email support available from expert consultants.
Thank you, Kelly. That clears my thoughts on documentation, and I would be glad to go for iCompliance DIY ISO document kit, as I don't want to miss something valuable like this.
It's my pleasure, sir, that you have made the right choice at the right time. So what are you waiting for? Register today, and schedule a meeting with iCompliance expert consultants to show you how the DIY ISO kit looks like, and how to successfully implement and get certified.